Hey everyone, what's up? I know मुंबई में, बॉम्बे में या इंडिया में राइट नाउ अभी रात है. आई डोंट नो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली कितने बजे वहाँ पर, एंड आई डोंट नो if you guys can hear me properly or not. And because it's live, I don't know मेरा नेट ठीक से चल रहा है या नहीं, but I'm doing live after a really long time. I think 3 million followers होने पर भी मैंने नहीं किया था, शायद रह गया था. So yay to 3 million Team Shirley. Hey guys, what's up? Hi Devraj, hi Ayush. So I am in Venice right now. This place is called St. Mark's Square and it's really pretty. Check it out. Hang on, I'll actually turn the camera so you guys can see properly. I'm not sure अभी कितने बजे हैं यहाँ पर. I think 5:15 or something like that. But yeah, हम काफ़ी देर से यहीं पर है. We went on the gondola ride. I think that's what it's called. You know वो जो छोटी सी पतली सी बोट नहीं होती, जो इटली में काफ़ी फेमस है. Yeah, probably you guys can see me properly now. What's up? I am in Italy, Shubham. So this is where I'm heading towards right now. I'm gonna show you the place where we sat on the gondola from. So check it out.
Imagine what your face would look like. Oh, this is awesome.
Bad timing, I guess. कोई बोट ही नहीं दिख रही. थोड़ा आगे जाऊँ. आगे चलते थोड़ा. Oops, sorry. This is what happens when you're walking with a camera and you're not looking where you're going. Sorry guys. Excuse me. So हम जब यहाँ आए थे तब तो बहुत सारी बोट्स थी. अब एक भी नहीं दिख रही. Yeah, I think so. I think गिरने वाला है सेल फोन मेरा आज. अरे मुझे लग रहा था मैं ही गिर जाऊंगी because पूरी बोट ऐसी टेढ़ी हो रही थी. And I was trying to go on the other side, but I don't weigh so much, so.
Pubblicità.
Is someone singing? कोई गा रहा है आगे. चले. Sorry, this is so rude. I'm chewing gum and I'm walking. Oh. I think आगे कोई तो गा रहा है जोर जोर से. I'm gonna check it out quickly because we have to leave soon. वरना मेरी राइड मिस हो जाएगी और फिर मैं गुम हो जाऊंगी और फिर मैं घर नहीं पहुंचूंगी. So cool. Reminds me of like all of those Bollywood movies जिसमें बोट्स पर बैठ के लोग गाने गाते हैं. It's cute. epic was that? Okay, अब वापस चलते हैं. What up? What up? What up? Hey guys. So I haven't been live in a long time, and there's a lot of things that you guys should be updated on if you guys don't already know. My debut Bollywood song is gonna release in 2 days. I'm so excited. I feel so lucky and I feel so thankful, especially to Sachin Jigar for believing in me, for believing that I could do the song. To DK, to Raj, to the entire team, Sid, you were awesome the day I came to record, and also Jacqueline, I saw you, and we met and spoke while you were shooting for the song, and you looked so amazing. I can't wait to see the video. But yeah, I'm so excited, and you guys, thanks to you, each and every one of you guys, for supporting me and loving me unconditionally, being with me through my good days and through my bad days. I just love you guys so much, and I'm really excited for Disco Disco. It's gonna be really awesome, and I hope that all of you guys like it, because I've put in a lot of effort and a lot of soul into it. It's very different from the other songs that you've usually heard me sing. It's not a romantic song. I usually do a lot of romantic songs. So it's a dance number, so I think you guys might like it. But yeah, it's coming out in 2 days, which is not tomorrow, Thursday. मैं तो यहीं पर होंगी. I think I'll be somewhere in Italy. I don't know exactly where. I'm back at the square now. If you guys want to check it out before I leave. Alright, you guys, take care and keep smiling. I will see you guys very soon. This is me, Shirley, signing off. And yeah, love you. Bye.